If you're chasing great photo quality without breaking the bank, you're in the right lane. The countdown for the best budget DSLR camera starts now. From blazing autofocus to rich colors and compact bodies, these kits prove you don't have to sacrifice performance to save money. Today, I'm going to be going over the best budget DSLR camera that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 10, we have Sanin 4000 digital camera. This entry-level model delivers 4000 video at 30 fps and crisp 20 megapixel stills in a compact body that won't overwhelm new shooters. The camera uses an approachable sensor layout and provides a friendly auto exposure mode for everyday scenes, along with a quick navigation menu to tweak white balance, color profiles, and ISO without wandering through deep menus. Bright 3-inch LCD keeps framing simple, while microSD expansion lets you shoot longer sessions on a single card. HDMI output supports quick playback on a TV, and built-in Wi-Fi helps back up shots during shoots. Bundled kit often includes a modest zoom lens and a lightweight tripod, making it ideal for travel vlogs or family events. Compared to the 5000 dual lens camera, which I have included as number 9 on this list, Sanin balances budget-minded performance with approachable features. At number 9, we have 5000 dual lens camera. This model leans into creative versatility with a dual lens system that alternates between standard and wide perspectives, enabling dynamic storytelling without swapping lenses. It records native 5000 video at a crisp frame rate and offers a responsive touchscreen, facial recognition AF, and a configurable capture cue for time lapses and slow motion. Its dual lens setup provides built-in parallax effects, while the body stays light and portable for daily vlogging. In practice, you will enjoy broad cinematic angles from one compact unit, and the batteries tend to last longer in mixed-mode shooting. Paired to the Reolink RLC 811A, which I have included as number 8 on this list, the 5000 dual lens camera shines for independent creators needing flexible framing options on the go. At number 8, we have Reolink RLCA. Security-oriented camera delivers 4000 resolution with clear daytime footage and solid night performance. It includes weather-resistant housing, reliable motion detection, and flexible mounting so you can place it on walls or ceilings for discreet coverage. PoE-powered design simplifies wiring and ensures dependable power for extended shoots, while local storage and cloud options give you backups. Two-way audio lets you communicate with a visitor or a pet from your phone, and the app supports remote viewing from anywhere. Compared to the Kodak Pixpro WPZ-WO, which I have included as number 7 on this list, Reolink shines in surveillance versatility rather than pure compact photography. At number 7, we have Kodak Pixpro WPZ-WO. This rugged compact camera is built to accompany outdoor adventures with a flexible waterproof body and a sturdy chassis. It captures 16 megapixel stills and 4000 video in well-lit conditions, while a straightforward user interface makes quick point and shoot captures easy. Sealed case and sturdy grip give confidence when you are in rain, snow, or dusty trails, and the display remains readable in bright sun. It also provides a range of specialized modes for underwater scenes and macro close-ups. Creators who want reliable everyday footage anywhere, Kodak Pixpro WPZ-WO balances durability with reasonable image quality. Compared to the 5000 camcorder vlogging camera, which I have included as number 6 on this list, the Pixpro's strength lies in rugged, all-weather photography rather than built-in stabilization for video. At number 6, we have 5000 camcorder vlogging camera. This compact camcorder is designed for creators who want a strong all-in-one rig with broad reach. It records sharp 5000 video, supports a flip-out screen for self-shooting, and includes a built-in stereo microphone while also offering a dedicated microphone input for better audio. Lightweight body, quick focus, and reliable autofocus tracking help you capture events, travel scenes, and interviews with minimal setup. It is packaged with a long-lasting battery, a small tripod mount, and a memory card. In regular use, you will notice how video-oriented features push the workflow, but it trades lens versatility for ease. Compared to the Nikon D3110 DSLR, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the camcorder excels for video first use. At number 5, we have Nikon D3110 DSLR. This beginner-friendly DSLR pairs an 14.2 megapixel DX sensor with a responsive autofocus system and a robust guide mode that teaches composition and exposure on the fly. Sturdy magnesium alloy body keeps weight manageable, while the optical viewfinder gives you traditional composition. It ships with an 18-55 kit lens, yet it has a growing ecosystem of affordable lenses that unlock creative control. In movie mode, you get full 1080p video at 30 FPS with clean audio through an external mic input, while scene modes simplify tricky lighting. Compared to the digital vlogging camera, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the D3110 prioritizes stills quality and lens versatility over compact video features. At number 4, we have digital vlogging camera. This compact shooter is built to travel light while delivering both photos and video. A bright front-facing screen, built-in microphone, and adjustable LED lighting help you capture crisp intros, while a versatile 1080p or 4000 recording option keeps you ahead in the mobile content race. It offers simple scene modes, electronic image stabilization, and quick Wi-Fi sharing to your phone. The lens is usually fixed, but a handful of models in this class support microSD expansion and a light tripod. In practice, the digital vlogging camera shines for on-the-go clips, but cannot match the wider lens flexibility of a dedicated DSLR. Compared to the 4000 digital camera, which I have included as number 3 on this list, this option emphasizes convenience over pure image quality. At number 3, we have 4000 digital camera. This model delivers 4000 video with a 20 megapixel sensor and fast autofocus for run and gun shooting. It includes a microphone input and a clean HDMI output for live streaming or external recording, and a compact body makes it easy to carry all day. Touchscreen helps with quick focus and exposure tweaks, while built-in Wi-Fi lets you transfer clips to a phone for sharing. A small but reliable LCD and sturdy construction make it a solid mid-range choice for beginners upgrading from compact cameras. Compared to the Panasonic Lumix J85, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the 4000 digital camera emphasizes simple, reliable performance over advanced stabilization and weather sealing. At number 2, we have Panasonic Lumix J85. This mirrorless system uses a micro 4/3 sensor delivering 16 megapixels, 4000 video, and remarkable stabilization with dual IS integrated into a robust body. Camera features weather sealing, a 3-inch tilting touchscreen, and a bright electronic viewfinder for overhead shooting. It excels for video work because of a strong autofocus assist, reliable IBIS, and a flexible lens lineup. In addition, it offers a sturdy mic input and headphone jack, making it a favorite for budding creators who want to pair stills with cinema-style clips. Compared to the Camber Photo camera tripod, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the J85 provides more camera control than a tripod can alone. At number 1, we have Camber Photo camera tripod. Sturdy aluminum tripod combines strength and portability for field work. It supports a healthy load rating and offers adjustable leg angles for low-angle shots, a smooth 360-degree pan, and a quick release plate for fast setups. Center column can be raised for tall portraits, while the bubble level helps with precise alignment on uneven terrain. It folds compactly into a carry bag, and its non-slip feet stay stable on slick surfaces. Photographers who want dependable support on every shoot, a good tripod is the quiet engine behind sharper framing. Compared to the Sanine 4000 digital camera, which I have included as number 10 on this list, stability often determines success more than raw resolution.